Oh, we're going to eke out what we can of this can.
Yeah.
Look at all this restored Korean hardware. It's not Toyota hardware by any means, but they don't really anodize their hardware, which sucks because it doesn't take long for the rust to get on them.
Yep.
It's a good thing we took some hardware from the junkyard because some of these screws, there's no threads left on them anymore.
Yeah, they're complete. Some of them were just unbelievably. I can't believe they were hanging on.
Well, I was thinking I couldn't get them out because they were literally, there was no threads to take it out.
Yeah.
But this should be nice.
Good.
So Gail is restoring her headlights lovingly.
I am.
By wet sanding them by hand. Because those are better quality than what you can buy today for less than 100 shipped. We're confident. Plus, they don't give you any bulbs. Back in the day when these were bought.
Crazy.
I know. Back in the day when these were new, which these are almost probably 15 years old, and mine are 20.
Yeah.
20 years of aftermarkets. How they hold up? We could do a video just about that.
Yeah, right.
Right. That's funny. That's funny as hell. Let us know if you care enough about that kind of stuff for us to even bother. But you know, as you can see, as each time Gail's cutting it with 500 grit, it's starting to lift all of that ugly.
Yep.
I know, it's so far out. Because we have painted parts, which I don't know if in this video you're seeing the painted parts of. We started painting and edging everything today.
We did.
So Gail is now, you know, finishing up the last little bit of odd jobs that have to be done to make this thing spectacular. Because what's good of putting all this effort into painting a car if your headlights are going to look crappy? These things got to glow like
these
brand new.
Awesome headlights.
Yeah.
As I said, I call them my owl spotters.
Yeah.
I've seen raccoons and trees on my way home with these things.
I know, but
I love them.
She likes it till State Cop pulls her over one night for those headlights. But I let it go because when she's behind you at night, it's like, who has got her high beams on? Like, you want to just stomp your brakes. So, but that's how bright they are. Now, that's in a car. So you all are probably driving in SUVs now, so it's not so bad. But I tell you what, coming towards you, though, them things are...
Yeah,
and she doesn't even have high beams on. She's just running low beams like a driving light, like a rally car, because it looks like she's got her high beams on, and the reality is she doesn't.
I know.
Which is funny.
I know. I get flashed all the time.
Yeah. Well, you know what? The amount of bright LEDs that are blasting me in the eyeballs, everybody's kind of taking turns taking hits with this, you know?
Yeah, right.
As this technology and lighting changes. But guess what? At least you can put a light bulb in that if you need one.
Yeah.
Because on modern headlights with all these LED crap, you get to buy a whole headlight.
Ugh.
So now you're barking around, what, you know, $1,000, depending on what model car and how expensive the car is. You literally are you're at the mercy of buying an entire light because you can't put a freaking light bulb in it.
Right.
How, like the dipstick.
Yeah.
How is it that you could keep going to that point and not irritating people where they're not going to want to do things like what we're doing, is fixing up an antique car that's going to last a long time. And for the money you're going to spend, if you put the time into it, look what you get in return. Simple and easy. Cost is they're inexpensive. They're pretty damn reliable. And you know, this thing is, you know, Ray put so much paint on it that there's no way that you're going to have you're going to ever fade the paint off that ever again, which is a lot of wonderful.
Looking much better.
Oh yeah, and that's at 500. So we have what, 800 to go, and then we're polishing.
Yeah.
All right.
So I should go a little more on this yet?
Well, how's the material looking as you're sanding it? Is it getting clear?
Getting white.
I would do one more pass on it.
Okay.
And then compare what you got to the bottom.
Okay.
Because you can get it wet and you can compare by looking at the two.
Right.
Even though one's a little foggy, as soon as you put some water on it, it clears up.
Right.
You know what I mean? So if you're not there yet, you have to go a little bit further.
Okay.
Because then the next level of sanding, you'll be it's gonna be phenomenal when they're done.
I can't wait.
All right, well, Gail got some stuff.
We got some packages in the mail today, some goodies. So we're going to open these up and look at our goodies. Goodies for Tina.
It's an awfully big box for whatever's in there.
Oh, this is some more Scotch-Brite.
Oh, well, we've been needing all that.
Those.
Yes.
Yes. So
It's full body shop here
It
at
is.
Watches and Wheels.
it is.
Yep, we're
I think I know
full-blown
what
body
this
shop.
one We are now.
All the parts are coming in, you know.
They
This is the
are.
exciting part. It's the what's in the box for the
Right.
Hyundai.
Right.
Probably, you know what we could say?
Goodies will be coming every day.
You know what we could say? We could say the world's finest mauve metallic lilac, whatever color.
Amethyst mauve.
Amethyst mauve.
Yes.
Hyundai Elantra in the world. Show us in the world.
Yeah.
Because those things
Show
are
us a better one.
they were sold all over Europe. So their cars are all over the place.
Right.
So booming stuff.
Tina's new speakers. A set of Tina's new speakers.
Those are the fronts look like. Those are your fronters.
Yep. And
Hot
yours.
dog. Yeah, sweet. I'm getting an upgrade in mine too.
Yeah.
It's
So-
exciting.
It actually was a better deal to buy a set of 2 than to buy a set of 1. And since Brian is doing all this work to help me out in this, the least I could do was get him some new speakers for his car.
Well, I
So-
certainly thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
We're JBL equipped now.
We will be, yes.
Yep.
Yes, so those are exciting. All
This
right.
system's gonna boom in this thing.
It is.
All right.
This is the one Brian's been waiting for.
Yeah, I know what this one is.
We do.
This one's kind of a moment of truth thing for me. OMG, look at those. Are they original Elantra ones?
They are.
No way. Look at that. Well, before you open it, let's grab the other one and check.
Okay.
And let's grab the other one and check. I think you should.
Yeah.
So, do these look like they're actually in the original packaging?
They are, yes. And according to the ad that I got them off of, it said they were original Hyundai parts. And right there it says genuine parts, Hyundai Kia.
Wow, fantastic.
Yeah.
So Gail's car has GT wheels on it, and the original cap is just a plain plastic cap with nothing fancy. It's just a raised logo. And I always thought that the 2001 Tiburons, if I remember, because I only ever seen one in my life that I remember.
Not.
Is it raised?
No.
It's sealed in there.
Sealed in there.
I know, that's some you know what.
Yeah,
That is
right?
Look at the difference.
I know.
Here, you can hold them for them. Look at the difference
Look at
between those
that.
two.
Look at the shine.
Yeah, so these are the Elantras get these.
Yeah.
And the Tiburon got these and only 01 because they changed the body style of the car.
Right.
But they used the same center cap all the way up to like 2008. So the same cap fits a Tiburon from 2001 all the way up that far. And when you know it, then it's the exact same spec as the base cap that's in the GT wheels that we have on the car. So instead of painting these, we took a risk and got
these.
those because those would look so phenomenal
Yeah.
on the rim because the rim's restored with a brand new tire. It's going to look... Oh. Now all we got to do is go over and get the spare
Yeah.
and see if it pops in.
Okay.
I'm ready to drop it in.
Okay.
And it drops right in, but it doesn't snap.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's
Huh.
interesting. That's very interesting. Why is that? Huh, it's a little bit smaller. Where was the other one at?
Oh, hang on. All right, there you go, B.
So there's the factory cap. So the diameter is, I mean, we didn't get a micrometer out, but literally
Right.
it is larger slightly.
Yep.
That's something.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, it's funny when I put these things over it, when I line them up.
Like sandwiches.
Yeah, I'm looking at it from the side. I'm like, where can I fill the space up? How can I? I mean, are they just a little bit that much smaller that they won't lock in place?
I don't know.
Well, that's the thing. I go to put it in and it doesn't lock.
Yeah.
So that means it's too small. So we have to build it up somehow
Okay.
in order to get it to stay in there.
I'm
And
sure
then-
we will find a way.
Oh, we're using them. There's no way. If we got to seal them in there, because the only time they ever have to be removed is when you balance the tire.
Yeah.
That's it. They never need to come out for any reason. So
Right.
we can make them stay in there, and
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the car won't go so fast they'll fling one out. And if it does,
Right.
they're what, How much were these a piece?
$11.
I know, it's fantastic.
Yeah, totally.
So we're going to make them work. And the
Okay.
question is, though, Gail, do you like them?
I do. Yes, I do.
Because it definitely changes the look of the wheel, for sure.
Totally.
And that's just a beat-up rim. Wait till it's
Right.
on a really nice wheel.
Right. Yeah, no, I do. I like that.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, we're going to figure that out.
Oh, absolutely. That's absolutely what we're going to do.
Okay. All right, Brian, tell me what you found out.
All right, well, the original one for the Elantra is 59.3, the outside diameter here all the way around.
Okay.
And the one we believe to be for 01, and of course our cat's coming in and bombing our video again. This one here is 57.6.
Ah.
So we're looking at making up 2 millimeters to fill this. 2 millimeters is what it would take to snap it in.
Right.
So everything has to be moved out, and how you would do that, maybe a more stronger spring. I don't know how much this plastic would, how much is it going to take.
Right.
But this edge is definitely smaller, so I wouldn't even waste time doing any of that. Since after we balance them, we can literally just put them in, like I said, right stuff in here. Right. And then push it in, and then just make sure that it's sticking to the clean wheel. And it never has to be removed ever again unless it's going to get balanced. And if it does, we just
pop it
put a
out.
little schmutz in it, stick it back in, and it'll dry. And you know what I mean? You can still use it. It's just, there's no other recourse. I thought that if I took electrical tape and went around it, it may snap in.
Right.
We'd have to test it to see if it'd be safe. If not, you're going to fling it out and lose it.
Right.
I'd rather permanently do that because it doesn't look weird. It's so close in size the human eye can't even see the difference.
I know.
Just make sure it's centered in the wheel, and it'll always look like it's spinning flat.
Yeah.
So we're using them, damn it, hell or high water. We're using them, but they're the specs.
Yeah.
Not much. They're close. They're really, really close, but
right.
Close enough for us.
Right.